So let us understand where the adjective phrases can be put into a sentence. Further, adjective phrases must be placed close to the nouns they describe, right? Nouns जो जिसको वो describe करते हैं उसके बाद में उनसे पहले या उनके बाद में जनरली उसके साथ उसको रखा जाता है. कहीं और बहुत कम होते हैं, रेयरली होते हैं. अदरवाइज द सेंटेंसेस मे लुक एब्सर्ड. अदरवाइज कहीं और रखेंगे तो उसका मीनिंग प्रॉपरली निकलेगा नहीं, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई फ्रेंड ब्रॉट अ टेबल फ्रॉम द शॉपकीपर विथ 4 legs, राइट? अब ये 4 legs किसके हैं? टेबल के हैं. तो शॉपकीपर के बाजू में रखेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि शॉपकीपर को 4 legs है, 4 legs है, राइट? सो दिस फ्रेज which is used for the particular noun that is table, it should be kept only after table so that it describes the table correctly, not the shopkeeper, right? In this sentence, with 4 legs is an adjective phrase. It describes the noun table, but it is placed close to the word shopkeeper. The way this sentence is framed, it implies that the shopkeeper had 4 legs, which is absurd, right? Which is wrong. 4 leg का कोई आदमी होता है? नहीं. Shopkeeper यानी आदमी है, right? So this sentence should actually have been written as my friend bought a table with 4 legs from a shopkeeper, right? So ideally the position of an adjective phrase is just after the noun it is telling you about, right? Now let us solve the exercise 5. Exercise 5, rewrite these sentences by placing the adjective phrases of their correct at their correct position. I want a young man to work in my office of good character, right? अब of good character किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? यंग मैन के लिए यूज हुआ है. सो उसके बाद उसको रखना चाहिए. मैन के लिए है ये कैरेक्टर वाला फ्रेज. So I want a young man of good character to work in my office should be the correct answer. A box was left at the railway platform full of clothes, right? तो full of clothes क्या है? Box है. तो box के बाद रखना चाहिए ना उसको, right? So where you should keep it? A box full of clothes was left at the railway platform. Wanted a nurse for a baby 20 years old. Baby 20 year का होता है कभी? उसको बेबी बोलेंगे हम? नहीं. So 20 years old ये किसके लिए है? नर्स के लिए है, right? So नर्स के बाद उसको रखना चाहिए. Wanted a nurse 20 years old for a baby. या who is 20 years old भी आप बोल सकते हो. Chair was placed near the window with a broken leg. अब विंडो ब्रोकन लेग की है? नहीं. विथ अ ब्रोकन लेग इज योर एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज. क्या ब्रोकन लेग की है? चेयर है. तो अ चेयर विथ अ ब्रोकन लेग वॉज प्लेस्ड नियर द विंडो. आई मेट अ मैन इन द स्ट्रीट ऑफ ग्रेट वेल्थ. स्ट्रीट ऑफ ग्रेट वेल्थ मतलब स्ट्रीट यानी जो वहां पे जो रोड था वो ग्रेट वेल्थ का है, मतलब जहाँ वहां पे बहुत पैसा है? नहीं. मैन के लिए ये फ्रेज यूज किया है. ग्रेट ऑफ ग्रेट वेल्थ, राइट? सो आई मेट अ मैन ऑफ ग्रेट वेल्थ इन द स्ट्रीट इज द करेक्ट sentence. Number 6, they built a theater for 500 people 30 meter long, right? अब ये 30 meter long किसके लिए यूज हुआ है? थिएटर के लिए, right? For not for people. So what should you write? They built a theater 30 meters long for 500 people. Okay, now moving on to adverb phrases. A phrase that acts as an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb phrase. Let us take a few examples. She acted foolishly, right? Acted. Acted क्या है यहाँ पे? It is the verb. It is showing some action. उसको एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है foolishly. So it is an adverb. Adverb showing manner. कैसे एक्ट कर रही है वो मैनर दिखा रहा है. She acted in a foolish manner. तो अभी foolishly का हमने कर दिया in a foolish manner. That is adverb phrase. In sentence 1, adverbs are generally those verbs which modify the verbs. मतलब verb जो action word होता है उसके बारे में आपको additional information वो देता है, right? In sentence 1, the word foolishly is an adverb describing the verb acted. It describes how she acted. So it is an adverb of manner. In sentence 2, the word foolishly has been replaced by the phrase in a foolish manner. But it does exactly the same work, right? वो adverb का ही काम कर रहा है. It describes how she acted. So in a foolish manner is an adverb phrase, right? 3. I was a student then, adverb showing time. Then मतलब तब थी. I was a student in those days. Then का हमने those days कर दिया, तो it became adverb phrase. I searched for my book everywhere, adverb showing place. I searched for my book at every place. That is an adverb phrase. Everywhere की जगह पे every place कर दिया हमने, right? Look at these adverbs and adverb phrases that are equivalent to them. Abroad, in a foreign land. Annually, every year. Carefully, with care. Cleverly, in a clever manner. Courageously, with courage, in a courageous manner. Then early, in an early hour. Everywhere, in at early place. Formerly, in former times. Gradually, step by step. Here, at this place. Hurriedly, in a hurry. Immediately, at once, or without delay. Late, after the appointed time. Now, at this moment. Occasionally, now and then. Recently, not long ago. Simultaneously, at the same time. Slowly, at a low speed. Soon, in a short time. Before long. Suddenly, without any warning. There, at that place, ultimately, in the end. Undoubtedly, without any doubt. Okay. Now, moving on to exercise 6. Exercise 6, pick out the adverb phrases. Our army fought in a brave manner. Fought kaisa? In a brave manner. His honesty and sincerity paid him in the long run. Honesty and sincerity दोनों को express कर रहा है. Paid him in the long run, right? So in the long run, in the long run से है हमारा adjective phrase, not this portion. Paid him, paid को वो कर रहा है, add कर रहा है. There were no fast moving vehicles in those days, right? So in those days, fast moving कब नहीं था? In those days. She played the guitar with great skill, right? Played को express क्या कर रहा है? With great skill. So that is an adverb phrase. We are leaving in a short while. Leaving कब? In a short while. So this is a phrase, adverb phrase. We waited for the result with great eagerness. We waited किसके लिए? With great eagerness. I thank you with all my heart. Thank कैसा? With all my heart. Put your shoulder to the wheel, right? Put को express कर रहा है to the wheel, right? Okay. Now, replace the underlined adverb phrases with an adverb of the same meaning. जो आपको बॉक्स में दिया है उसका सेम मीनिंग का एडवर्ब निकाल के आपको उसको रिप्लेस करना है. अगेन द प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज फॉर एडजेक्टिव जो था वैसा ही सेम एक्सरसाइज है. लेट अस डू इट क्विकली. आई विल डू द फर्स्ट 5. 6 to 12 आप लोग होमवर्क में करोगे. आई जस्ट फोकस इट ऑन द आंसर की लेटर वर्ड्स. आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस इन अ फ्यू वर्ड्स. अब इन अ फ्यू वर्ड्स के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? ब्रीफली, राइट? ब्रीफली मतलब कम वर्ड्स में. So answer these questions briefly. It is raining hard, so drive with caution. With caution यानी carefully हो सकता है या cautiously. Yeah, cautiously is given. So we will do cautiously. So drive cautiously with caution. The captain called the goalkeeper in a loud voice. Loud voice, loudly. Right? Loudly दिया है. Yes, loudly is given. Then Hari Prasad Chaurasia is without doubt a great flute player. Without doubt, undoubtedly. So here it is given undoubtedly, right? The boys complained against the monitor again and again. Again and again मतलब repeatedly, बार बार. frequently दिया है, right? Repeatedly नहीं दिया है, frequently दिया है. So the boys complained against the monitor frequently, right? Now from 6 to 12 I'm just focusing it on the answer key. You just go through exercise 5 का भी मैं focus कर रही हूँ और 6 का भी मैं कर रही हूँ और 7 का भी कर रही हूँ. So just have a look at it. I'm just pausing it for 3 to 4 seconds and you can write down, stopping the video, you can write down all the answers. And now coming on to exercise 7, I will just pause it for 3 to 4 seconds again so that you can write all the answers. Right? Frequently tak humne kiya till the fifth one. From 6 to 12 you can write it down. Okay, now I hope it's done. Let us move on further. It's exercise 8. We will finish off exercise 8 and stop there. Noun phrases we'll do next time. Okay, so exercise 8, replace the underlined adverbs for suitable adverb phrases. Number 1, we should bear our troubles patiently. So patiently के लिए हम लोग डालेंगे with patience. I'm not writing it here. You just write it from my narration and I'll afterwards show you the answer key. They treated us kindly. Kindly का हो जाएगा they treated us with kindness. Do not answer hastily. Do not answer with haste or in haste. We greeted the guests cheerfully. Cheerful becomes in a cheerful tone. I heartily thank you for your kind help to me. Right? So heartily की जगह पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे? I thank you with all my heart for your kind help to me. God is present everywhere. Everywhere की जगह पे at all the places. God is present at all the places. Our village had not been electrified then. Our village had not been electrified in those times. You should revise your lessons frequently. You should revise your lessons again and again. Frequently मतलब repeat जिसको करते हैं हम बार बार, that is called frequently. Okay, now from noun phrases we shall do it next time. I will stop the video here, and lastly I am just focusing it on the answer key of exercise 8. So you can pause the video and see the answers and note them down in your notebooks. So you do not make any mistakes. I am focusing it here. Please do not make any spelling mistakes or any grammatical mistakes while writing the sentences. Otherwise, it will happen that you will learn something wrong. Right? Okay, I'll stop here now.